In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reorder labels in Microsoft Planner. If you spent time organizing tasks in Planner, you may have noticed that labels are useful for categorizing work, highlighting priorities, or grouping related items. However, one limitation is that Microsoft Planner doesn't include a built-in feature that lets you directly drag and reorder labels the way you might expect. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you the simple workaround you can use to get the label order you want. To begin, open the task where you want to adjust the labels. This is important because label changes are made from within the task details. Once the task is open, you'll be able to see the labels currently assigned to it, along with the options for editing them. At this point, it's helpful to understand the main issue. Planner doesn't have a true reorder function for labels. So if your labels are appearing in an order that doesn't match how you want to present them, you won't be able to simply move them up or down. Instead, you'll need to use a manual method to recreate the order. What you can do is remove the current label and then add the correct labels back in the order you want them to appear. This works because the sequence in which labels are applied can affect how they display on the task. So if the arrangement looks off, uncheck or remove the labels that are already there, then reselect them carefully in the order you prefer. Take your time during this step, especially if the labels represent a workflow, status, or internal system that needs to stay consistent. You can also rename the label if needed. This is useful if the existing label name no longer fits the task, or if you want to make your labeling system clearer for everyone using the plan. Renaming can help reduce confusion and make the labels more meaningful, especially when multiple people are collaborating in the same planner board. As a quick tip, before making changes, it can help to look at the current set of labels and decide on the exact order and wording you want. That way, when you remove and reapply them, you can do it in one pass without having to repeat the process. That's really all there is to it. Since Planner doesn't currently support direct label reordering, the easiest approach is to open the task, remove the existing labels, add them back in the correct order, and rename them if necessary. It's a simple workaround, but it gets the job done and helps keep your tasks organized exactly the way you want.